G'day, I'm Chef Jason Roberts. You know, true power is knowing when not to use it. The JAWZ variable speed, high performance blender with 3.5 peak horsepower motor ensures even the most difficult ingredients are pulled right where they need to be. The high performance low pitch blade is heat treated for extra strong ice crushing capabilities. Grind nuts into butter, reduce grains into flour, or craft homemade dips and sauces with ease. The BPA-Free 64-ounce Triton blender jar is designed with optimal wall height and a 1.5-ounce measuring cap, equipped with a pulse function and a 99-second count-up timer. You're always in complete control.
The NutriNinja Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.
Introducing the Utalent 8-speed power hand blender. Experience precise speed control with the 2-button soft turbo switch. And with the 8-speed dial, you can get the perfect mix each time. Salsa is now easier than ever to make. Just chop and blend. Make delicious homemade fruit and vegetable smoothies with the push of a button. Chopping a variety of nuts has been made easier with the Utalent 8-speed power hand blender. Every blender comes with a BPA-Free blending cup and chopper. Puree peaches for natural and healthy food for your baby. With the Whisk attachment, scrambling eggs is a breeze. The 4 ultra-sharp rotary blades were designed for your toughest tasks. And for easier mixing in deep stovetop pots, simply attach the extender and stir at the press of a button. The milk frother can be used to create a nice foamy touch to your favorite cup of coffee. For easy and convenient storage, simply use the built-in rubber grommet. For a premium performance, get the Utalent Kitchen Assistant today because you deserve it.